All right, nice shot, Miss Donna. Here we are at Krogels Woodwalk,
Right up here.
shooting archery. Jack's gonna shoot a standing bear.
Okay.
Looks like a red, Jack. On your feet.
All right.
Boom!
Way to go.
I'm getting nervous.
Okay, I think you. Where's that? You want to hit below the shoulder?
Yeah.
Or you want to hit where Miss Donna's arrow is?
Yeah, just up and right a little bit of my arrow.
Okay.
So you want
I
to
might
put
have
red?
Mm-hmm.
He's getting tired. I mean weak.
It's
All right.
nice shot, Bell Bell. What do we got? I'm walking up here.
Oh, she's got a 10.
A
I've only
10?
got 5.
Let's take a look.
How did I get?
You got a 5.
Oh.
All right, Jack. Nice shot.